Dehumidifier for condensation. Dehumidifier for window condensation. Window condensation forms when the temperature of the glass falls below the dew point temperature of the surrounding air. Condensation pump for a dehumidifier. Moisture is pulled from the air and passed through a condenser coil where it condenses into liquid water. Best dehumidifier for window condensation. Window condensation is caused when warm moist air comes in contact with a cold surface. A dehumidifier can help to get rid of the moisture in the air and stop the window from fogging up. Dehumidifier for winter condensation. This can help to improve comfort and indoor air quality, as well as protect against problems associated with high humidity, such as mold and mildew growth.